Hi, I'm Professor Louise McHugh.
And I'm Dr. Alison Stapleton.
And this is a teaser for our pre-conference workshop for the Association for Contextual Behavioural Science World Conference in Nicosia, Cyprus on the 24th and 25th of July. The workshop is titled Putting the Context Back into Contextual Behavioural Science, Applying Relational Frame Theory to Rules, Self and Values. So this is going to be a teaser of the different topics we will target. So essentially, we're putting the workshop into context.
So what we have here is a spinner with 3 key domains for the workshop. We're going to spin this wheel, and when one of the topics comes up, we'll let you know some of the pieces that we're going to cover within that domain in the workshop. So here we go. Drum roll, please. Rules.
So have you ever worked with people who are stuck in coherence traps, otherwise known as they've made sense out of the world in a way that's not workable for them, such as thinking they're a failure and allowing that block their choices? Well, we will be looking at why is it that people get into these coherence traps, and how do we help people get out of them using relational frame theory?
So second here, we have rules again, multiple exemplar training in action. Also on the topic of rules in the workshop, we're going to be unpacking the concept of rigid rule-governed behavior. So what is the term rigid intended to mean? Is it repetitive behaviors, or is it more about unworkable behaviors that are causing challenges for the listener in the long run?
So do you find yourself working with people who wish that they could stop being people pleasers? We are going to be looking at how we can help clients to track their own experiences rather than referencing others' needs in order to live more vital lives. We'll be doing this in context. One more there, Alison.
Nice. So values. Sometimes when we're talking about values, we might frame an away move as adaptive, but it would actually be more precise or more accurate for us to instead frame certain behaviors as away from a particular value, but in that moment towards another value, particularly in the context of self-care. So we'll be unpacking those kind of competing or superseding values in context in the workshop.
We're looking forward to seeing you in Nicosia in July to get our RFT on. But until then, goodbye.